everybody, welcome to Make Food Thy Medicine. This is Dr. Bijal Dave and today I'm making a very easy, quick and super healthy recipe. It is tofu tikka and it requires just 4 ingredients and it gets done in a jiffy, okay? And I will show you how. So guys, to make the tofu tikka, I have 3 big tablespoons of plain yogurt. I have 1 entire slab of extra firm tofu. This has about 40 grams of protein in this entire box, okay? So that's what I have here. I have cut it up into cubes. You can see that. And in addition to that, I have bell peppers, onions. We get our vitamins and minerals from it, and a little lemon just to garnish it. And the most important part of this is this chicken tikka barbecue mix. Now I know a lot of people are wondering what is this doing in a vegetarian or vegan kitchen, but this is just a spice blend. I have read the entire ingredients on the back and they just contain spices. So I just use this to spice up my yogurt. So let's go ahead and stay. So you see, this is just plain yogurt, guys, okay? This is not Greek yogurt, plain yogurt. In this, I'm going to add the entire box of the chicken tikka spice blend. And I'm going to mix it together real nicely. Now, a lot of people say that tofu does not absorb flavors, but the way we are going to marinate it, we're going to marinate this at least for 8 to 10 hours. And if you want, you can even do it for 24 hours. Once you do that, the tofu will absorb the flavors very nicely, okay? So here we have mixed it very well. To this, I'm going to add the tofu and my bell peppers as well as onions. And we are just going to mix it all well such that everything is coated. That's all we are going to do, and leave it to marinate for at least 8 to 10 hours. So if you have a party the next day, you can, make it the night before and use it for the party next day. Now, just one more addition to this. I'm going to add a little bit of lime or lemon. This helps with the taste. It gives it a little tangy taste when you eventually bake it in the oven. So there's a little interesting story about this. My husband had invited his friends over for a boys' game, for a football game, and he accidentally stumbled upon this recipe. He marinated the tofu same way he marinated the chicken, and it came out brilliant actually. So since then, this has been our go-to tofu recipe in our house, okay? So that's it. This is done here, guys. You can see how it looks. Now I'm going to cover this and marinate for at least 8 to 10 hours. I'll see you later. So guys, we are back after 12 plus hours, and the tofu with bell peppers and onions has been marinating. Now all I'm going to do is I have preheated the oven at 450 degrees. And I'm going to transfer this entire content of this bowl onto this plate, okay, onto this baking tray actually. So there, I'm just going to spread this so everything can get a little space. Now the reason for doing this is to let the tofu bake in the marinade itself, and that will make all the juices stick to it and it will come out really nice. So this is going inside the oven at 450 degrees for 20 minutes. So guys, I ended up keeping it in the oven for 30 minutes because at 20 minutes it wasn't crispy enough for me. So this one has been in the oven. You can see how nicely it has baked. And I'm going to serve it on here and then we'll take a taste. So guys, here's our plated tofu tikka along with some caramelized bell peppers and onions. Now I'm going to just Squeeze a little lime because it gives a very nice taste. And take a bite. This is very yummy because I kept it marinating for almost 12 to 15 hours. The sauce, the yogurt and the masala has gone inside the tikka and it is really very yummy. So I hope that you will make this tofu tikka. It's a very nice summertime recipe, barbecue recipe that you can make when your friends come over. So, and it is very high in protein and we have your vitamins and minerals here. So subscribe to Make Food Thy Medicine and I'll show you more healthy recipes in the future.